Today I'd like to talk to you about the LNWD. This is our heavy duty dispenser. It's used primarily for applying stretch banding film. Obviously you can run 3-inch wide up to 6-7-inch wide, so long as it's on a 3-inch inside diameter core. Now what I like about this dispenser, a couple of key points. It's manufactured here in the States. It's made out of machined aluminum, and it's manufactured out of nylon plastic. That's what the chucks are that hold the roll of film in place. Now it also has a tensioning device, and in here it's got a washer with bearings on it, so once you put the correct amount of tension, the roll runs very smooth, so it allows to put the film on nice and smooth around the packages. Now the key feature here is that when you're wrapping with this dispenser is the unit does not have to spin in your hand. The roll does all the work, the bearing controls the tension. You just tighten it, your desired tension, wrap away. Now if you're wrapping packages that are fairly bulky or fairly heavy, you can apply extra tension by squeezing the trigger. That gives even more tension beyond the tension that you have on here. So just to give you an example how smooth this dispenser works. If you're wrapping a lot of product, you've also used those cheap plastic disposable dispensers, or you've used the one with the paper core sticking out the other end. Now that's fine if you're doing office work or if you're at home just wrapping 1 or 2 items, but if you're an industrial application in a warehouse and you're wrapping 40-50 packages a day, you don't want a cheap dispenser, you want heavy duty, hardcore industrial dispenser. As you can see here, runs smooth, the dispenser does not have to spin in my hand. Now if you need extra tension, you squeeze the trigger and that applies more tension to the film. Now also, with this unit manufactured in the States, all these parts can be purchased separate to replace. So now if this unit gets dropped, it gets run over by a forklift, they squash the machined aluminum handle, you can buy the handle on its own. You can buy the plastic. Nylon plastic is pretty much indestructible. You can run it over with a forklift, you can hit it with a hammer, it's not going to chip, it's not going to break, it might dent it a little bit, but the unit will still work.